Let's go see the massive technique on how to repair a battery in the motorcycle without taking it out.
And he's doing it. Say that on there too now. How about that action? What do you think about that action? Say, look at what he's done now. Phenomenal, man. That's redneck technology. Hey, look there. I like that guy. Look, I got my best man on it now.
I got our best man on it now. God damn it, man.
You don't see that like that, have you?
Torch the battery on the motorcycle full of gas right above the oil tank.
Let's get it again. See if we get some more on there. You know what I mean?
Complete lack of safety. But fuck it. Look at that. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
Professional. Oh, shit. Watch out now. You're fishing.
How about that? Think about that, dude. Would you pay for that? You on the road broke down? Bring a sinker.
Sinker and a torch.
Yeah. You go have to have a torch for sure.
Look at that fucking mess.
It's fucking beautiful, man.
I'll take that up to the shop and say, man, I don't know what's wrong with my battery.
What the fuck is this?
What happened to that shit?
I paid you guys for this. Look at that. They go,
What the fuck?
That's the first thing you say to me. What the fuck is that? Whoops, watch it now. Hey, I got my best man on.
Round 3.
Round 3. Hitting it one more time, bitch. You want to apply the lotion slowly. It puts the lotion on. Big time.
Now remember, folks, don't try any of this at home.
That's fucking shit. I bet it's tight too. I can probably go ahead and put the seat on there. Look at that. That is bad.
That is a giant ball of suck. Oh yeah, blow on it. Boom!
Did you see that thing that blew up on the internet yesterday, Blue? That guy was holding